Hi. In this video, we will quickly tell you about CallRail. Find out which marketing campaigns make your phone ring. If your business relies on quality customer conversations, you need CallRail. Match inbound calls, text, forms, and live chats to your marketing campaigns to finally learn what's working and what's not. What is call tracking? Ever ask a caller, "How do you find out about our business?" With call tracking, you'll know before you even pick up the phone. Better yet, you'll have powerful analytics around which ads, campaigns, or search terms inspire your best leads to reach out, so you can invest more into the marketing that moves your business forward. Track. Match all your inbound calls to online or offline marketing campaigns. Get immediate visibility and validation into which strategies are driving leads and which are not. Analyze. Gain the insights you need to spark growth. See every interaction with your ads, keywords, and campaigns. Compare the performance of one message or strategy to another. Improve. Knowing is only the first step. Take action on your call tracking data to maximize conversion rates, refocus your marketing budget, and enhance your lead generation strategies. Convert. Turn more prospects into lifelong customers thanks to smart lead handling features that ensure calls are always routed to representatives that are trained and available to help. The CallRail platform builds on call tracking to provide an entire suite of integrated tools that makes marketing your business and turning leads into loyal customers a cinch. Add Lead Center to unlock the complete CallRail platform. Call tracking, form tracking, conversion intelligence, Lead Center, SMS text messages. Join the most successful businesses on the planet. CallRail is a service that tracks and manages your phone leads, helping businesses to determine which marketing campaigns are driving quality leads. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about CallRail and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.